and this should be air pressure, okay? Okay, boom. Hear how much air is coming out of there? And if I put it through, nothing. Hey guys, here's a little tip about a bottle system. This unit is it's a Marus chair. It's an older style. I've got a bottle here, and the bottle, the water pressure is low, and I'm about to show you something that will make hopefully your life easier at some point. So what you're expecting when you take a bottle off, you're expecting there to be air blowing down to pressurize the water. The system's on right now. So what's going to happen is we're going to open it up, and you're going to hear that, and then it's like quiet. Why is it quiet? Well, it's quiet because air's not going into the bottle, but we can kind of hear just very slightly. So what I'm going to show you here is that inside of here, there's a special barb. And what happens is when this barb gets clogged, it stops the air from flowing into the bottle. And so I'm going to show you what that's about right now. So here we go. I'm going to take my Allen wrench, and here we go. So we're going to take this little bracket off. And when we take the bracket off, there's usually a selector switch, and the selector switch in this case has been removed. And the reason we removed it is because we just made it bottle only instead of having a city. So what you're going to find is that you're going to have the manifold as you'd expect, but in here, there's two barbs. Now look at that top one. I don't know if you can see, if you see anything different about it. Yeah, it's brass. So what's happening right now is the air line is going through the barb and into the manifold and out the hole that's here on the bottom. That's how it works. But the pressure is really low. So we're going to go ahead and just take our tack puller, and we're going to pull this top line, and this should be air pressure, okay? Okay, boom. Hear how much air is coming out of there? And if I put it through, nothing. So this little brass barb, we're going to go ahead and use our 6-in-1 to put that over the top of it and unscrew it. And when we unscrew that barb, there's some crap in there. It's like a little poppet, like a little, I don't know, flow regulator or something. And what it does is it limits the amount of air that can go through it. So we're going to take that part out, that brass barb, and then I'm going to fish out another barb that's silver. Okay. So, and we can kind of compare the difference here. Okay. So see, the top one's brass, and that bottom one, like, the bottom one, like, we can see, I don't know how much you can see through it, but I promise this one here, like, I can see through that, and this one here, I can't see through it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this barb and we're going to thread it onto, whoa, after we throw it, we're going to thread it on there. Use our 6-in-1 to tighten that. Then what's going to happen is we'll fish this line back out, and put that back on, and boom. You can now hear the difference. So we'll get everything kind of jammed back up in there. Put our bracket back on. And so the most common scenario is you'll have someone with an old system like this. I've mainly seen these on these Marus units. And this is actually the second one today that I encountered in this office. I don't know why this isn't. I don't know why that's not going, but there we go. There we go. Yeah. But if you ever see this, it's a pretty tricky little problem because you can have air coming to the manifold at the right pressure, but it makes it seem like you need to crank up the pressure at the regulator instead of, looking for an obstruction. But this seemed like a little worthy tip, and definitely something that you might want to put away in your memory banks. And I would say if you ever encounter one of these brass ones, I'm pretty sure the purpose of it is so that when you take off the bottle, it doesn't blow off or whatever. But most manifolds don't have this. So, you don't need it. So that's filling up with pressure. And then this is what it should sound like when you go and you remove the bottle. Okay, you should be able to hear it filling with air. All right, so little tip for you. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.